Today I want to talk to you about something that happens in our garden every year, and we'll call them mystery tomatoes. Now, what are mystery tomatoes? They're tomatoes that are kind of left on the vine right before the frost or just after the frost. It depends on how hard the frost is. But they're completely edible. They last an incredible amount of time. And I pulled these off around the end of September, and they don't deteriorate. Are they the tastiest tomatoes on the planet? Well, they're not as tasty as coming fresh off the vine in, say, August time frame, but they still are very tasty and very edible. The thing that amazes me about them, and that's the mystery, is they're so shelf stable. They all kind of start out like this. These are heirloom tomatoes, so they're all sorts of different colors. They're not tomatoes that are left on the vine after frost that are no good. There's been a period of time when it was really cold. Maybe there wasn't as much moisture going into the plant, or the plant was just kind of dying or choking off towards the end of the season, and they're not as filled with moisture as a standard tomato. This has a lot of moisture in it, which is kind of unusual. This is a Cherokee purple tomato, and it's got this reddish green. These are all cherry Roma tomatoes. These are the color they're supposed to be, purple cherry tomatoes, and these are actually black tomatoes. So we'll go through these, finish them all off, and then be waiting for next year. But I was just curious, and please post in the comments below if anybody else has mystery tomatoes that they can keep into the December, even January timeframe. I've had tomatoes in February from the previous season, and they're just sitting out in the kitchen. Nothing special, they're not being refrigerated. It's more of an experiment than anything else. They're not a sun-dried tomato. I'll cut one open. They're still wet on the inside. Got a little bit of a shine from the moisture. And they're very tasty and edible. They're not at the 10 out of 10 stage, fresh off the vine in the summertime, but very tasty. Thumbs up and comments are always appreciated. Thanks for watching. And I look forward to your comments below on what you think causes mystery tomatoes, and if you have any of your own in your garden. Future builds and videos about gardening coming soon.